No one, no? You
No,
start
sorry, science.
now. Okay, I saw the timetable just now. I had a timetable, but it was hard to find, so I
Yes.
didn't find. But right now again I checked. So now who will do the prayer? Means normally you do you start with the prayer every day? Zaki, can you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Surah Hamda only, not Lappe aati hai dua.
Okay, ma'am. Start करो.
Yes.
Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Okay, mashallah. Now we are starting. As science teacher is absent, I got the proxy. So first we are just completing this J, K and L, and then we are starting the next step. And did you see in the group just now I sent two PDF? अगर देखा हो तो group में. If you have not checked your WhatsApp group, means fifth standard group, then please check it, download the PDF and save it, please. Now who will do J, K and L? The three were left, right? So who wants to do J? Hassan, your turn has come. I don't remember.
इसमें हम
Okay.
मैम आई मैंने किया था.
Okay. So whose turn is come and wants to do? It's very easy. We had already finished from A to I. That we had already finished. So I get you don't have any doubt. But then also if you have doubt, first ask me the doubt. Do you have any doubt, any boy? Any of you? कुछ doubt तो पूछ लो फटाफट. Or let me take the names only. Zaki, do you have any doubt in the division? कुछ doubt है?
नो मैम.
Okay. Then Hassan, do you have doubt?
नो मैम.
And Hassan, you only please tell me one name no? Because I don't know who are present.
यस मैम. सक्के हसन.
हाँ, to him I asked whether he had doubt or not. You tell me other names one.
सिया मर्चेंट.
हाँ, I guess Ayan's ID is that. Ayan, do you have any doubt? Means you are present in last few lectures.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you don't have any doubt, no? You have, then ask me.
मेहंदी
No,
रजा.
I know.
Okay. Charanya Mendi, I guess in last lecture you were present. Before that, I guess you were absent. So do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
मेहंदी रजा जुमानी.
Okay. Jumani Mehendi Reza, you are also not regular, but then also, do you have any doubt if you have watched the video and you understood so? कुछ doubt है?
मोहम्मद रजा देवजानी.
Okay. Devjani Mohammad Reza, Jumani Mehendi Reza, ask me in doubt if you have.
No doubt.
Okay, let's first revise. Okay. So whenever you solve, no? राइट साइड फर्स्ट यू कैन राइट द टेबल विच एवर यू नीड. तो यहाँ पे हमें कौन से टेबल की जरूरत पड़ेगी टू सॉल्व जे? विच टेबल वी विल नीड? बेटा लेट मी चेंज द कलर.
41.
Yes. So we have to solve this one, and we have to divide this number 53,960 by 41. 41 से उसको divide करना है. And now that table we will write here. And I guess that also I guess you know how to make a table, how to write this. You can just multiply like 41 multiply by 2, then you will know 41 2s कितने होते हैं. So I'm writing the question who will solve means who will say the answer of table. I will help you, but at least first try.
Ma'am, 82.
Let me complete, then you can say. But who is giving the answer? Your name?
My Ma'am, Amir. Sadi Amir.
Okay, Amir. Let me first complete the question, then you can say the answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so first one is very easy. 41 ones are 41, right? Now
Yes,
twos are
ma'am.
Amir will say.
41 2s are 82. 81.
80, how many?
2. 82.
Yes. Amir, do you want to only continue threes or fours or everything? Or shall I ask to someone else? Will you say threes or fours or या किसी और को पूछ लो?
Yes, ma'am. I will tell.
Okay. Say. 41 threes are.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay.
मैं multiply कर रहा हूँ.
Okay. And other students, please you also try, and you can match your answer.
One 112. Ma'am, 112.
No, no. 112 is not right answer.
So what?
Let's multiply. I'm showing here. ऐसे multiply करते हैं यहाँ पे. 41 multiply 3. Now you tell me. 3 ones are
3. 3.
3. Then next.
12. 4 3s are 12, ma'am. 12.
तो कितने हुए? 112 तो नहीं है ये.
1 to 123.
हाँ, तुम दोनों ने 112 बोला. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर. इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा चांस दिया कि फिर से करो.
41
So
4s are.
answer is
Ma'am,
here
41 4s are
123.
करें.
Yes. You can do next, and whoever get the answer first, जिसको भी पहले आंसर मिल जाए, they can tell me.
Ma'am, 201. Hello, Zainab ma'am.
Sure, because I don't think so. You are right. First, write the question like this: 41 multiply and then 4. This way.
160. 160. 204. Ma'am, 204.
सी आई हैव रिटन द क्वेश्चन ना, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो ऐसे 41 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, फिर मुझे बोलो क्या आंसर आएगा।
मैम 204।
ठीक है चलो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। टेल मी द आंसर। 4 1 दैट वे।
160.
4 4 1 जा 4,
हाँ देन
4 4 जा 60।
4 4 are 60.
सी 164 इज द आंसर।
सॉरी मैम, मेरा रॉन्ग गया।
हाँ नो प्रॉब्लम, एटलीस्ट यू शुड ट्राई।
56. That's okay.
हाँ फिर 41 5 जा
41 5 जा।
and other boys Zaki, then Jumani Mehndi Raza, Devjani Mohammad Raza, then Ayan
मैम आप
and
ये बोर्ड ऊपर
205. Ma'am, 205.
yes. Then 41 6 जा. So other students also whose name I have taken,
मैम
please say the answer.
246। मैम 246।
Yes, 2 4 6.
Yes.
Right answer. Very good.
287 मैम।
Yes.
मैम मैं कैलकुलेटर में नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ ओके।
फिर 41 8 जाना।
Yes.
3 to 4।
328.
Yes. Then 41 9 जा.
369 मैम।
Yes.
and 49 10 जा 410।
Yes.
410।
Very good. Now we will start division. So first I'm explaining. This already आता हो,
Okay.
they can do with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Who already knows how to do? जिसको already आता ही है.
मैम छोटा हो उसकी डिजिट नीचे आएंगी
हाँ
और
जिसको
उस
already आता है, बस अभी करना नहीं है, मैं ही कर रही हूँ, सिर्फ पूछ रही हूँ किसको
यस
already
मैम
आता है. Okay, Hassan
मुझे
already knows. Okay. So other boys have doubt. It means. Okay, so let's do. So here we have to use this table. That's why we have written. Okay, this table.
539.
Now first we will see okay, from inside how many digits we will take.
410 आएगा मैम
Okay, wait. पहले हम अंदर डिसाइड
मैम
करेंगे कि
किसकी
दो
टर्न है
डिजिट लेंगे कि
किसकी टर्न है
किसी की टर्न नहीं है. एक्चुअली ओनली हसन नोज द डिवीजन आंसर और उसका ऑलरेडी टर्न आ गया है,
मैम
तो
मेरे
उसको
को
फिर
भी
मैं पूछ
आता है
नहीं सकती. हाँ योर टर्न इज ऑल्सो कम ना बट, तो जिसको डाउट है उसको सिर्फ समझा रही हूँ. देन नेक्स्ट बोथ के एंड एल यू बोथ कैन डू. के एंड एल, के हसन एल रूहान. हाँ सो आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग कि अंदर जितने भी डिजिट्स है, जैसे 5 डिजिट्स है, हियर यू कैन सी 1 2 3 4 5 डिजिट्स.
यस मैम
So from inside all the 5 digits, we don't have to divide 5 digits together. एक साथ हम डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे. First we'll take whether 2 digit or whether 3 digit. वो पता कैसे चलेगा कि 2 digit लेंगे कि 3 digit. So suppose if the question is like this, ये 41 का ही टेबल हो, but inside suppose
दो डी दो डिजिट
39,600
यस मैम
ऐसा ऐसा कुछ नंबर हो. So you can see this 2 digit is smaller than 41. But यहाँ पे 53 that is not smaller than 51, right?
यस
It's
मैम
greater.
इज
So
ग्रेट
that's why we can take 2 digits first. 3 digit नहीं. ठीक है?
यस
This you have to just observe and decide.
मैम
हाँ so now we'll take
410 आएंगे
इसमें
यस मैम
नहीं I said no,
41
first we
10
will take 2 digits.
282
हाँ 2 डिजिट्स लेंगे जो है 53.
फोर
अब
वन जा
53 से
41.
छोटा है. Yes.
41.
Yes.
41.
1 are. So 1 we will
1.
write up, then
ऊपर
41. And next step is of
3
subtraction.
minus 1, 2.
So this
थ्री
you
माइनस
don't say the answer. This
5
array
minus 4,
array again.
वन.
I
1.
said no, तुम दोनों को ऑलरेडी आता है, तुम लोग का टर्न भी आ गया, इसलिए तुम लोग नहीं बोलोगे.
लेकिन
So
कोई
मैं
who
दूसरा
दूसरा
other
बोलेगा.
बोल
students will
दूंगा.
do subtraction? Or who will do this subtraction? Other students.
सादिया
Tumani
में.
Mehendi Reza, Zaki. No, he has already given the answer. Zaki. Then that Tumani Mehendi Reza, Devushani Muhammad Reza, Charani Mehendi, and other all the students. I don't know who else is also present. But now from these boys, who will say this subtraction? This is very easy. Zaki, will
Then
you
I
try?
can say
Okay, Ahmed, you can
Janam
do.
मैम
3
सादिया में.
minus 1.
three minus one,
Yes, Ahmed.
two.
Haan. 3 minus
3
1,
minus
2.
1, 2. Or 5 minus 4, 1.
Yes, very good. Now who knows what is the next step? इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? Next step क्या
9
है?
को नीचे.
Yes.
9
You
को
have to
नीचे.
take this 9 down here. So now it's you can see now which number is this? 129.
123. 123.
हाँ, though we have to see in this table कि 129 is there or not, or we have to select the nearest smaller number. मतलब 20 123 ना
105.
ट्वेंटी.
हो,
मतलब 1,
तो उससे छोटा सब.
123.
हाँ, 123.
120.
और
सम बोलवा तो दे.
And that is how many are?
3. 3.
3. So that 3 we will write up. Now again subtraction. Now who will do this subtraction? Otherwise, who are not speaking, not giving the answer. I want to know that
6.
do you know or not?
9 minus 3, 6.
Acha, Sajjad is
Yeah.
there, no? Present. So Sajjad, you only do this 9 minus 3 that way.
6, 6, ma'am.
Yes. Then 2 minus 2.
0,
Yes. Then 1
0,
minus 0. And then Sajjad, what is the next step now? Do you know?
6 down.
Yes. This 6 we have to take down. So we'll write here. And now it's you can see now it is 66. So Sajjad, will you tell me कि 66 table में है in this table?
No, ma'am.
So which
No
number you
मैम.
will take?
41. 41.
No, ma'am. 41, 40.
41. हाँ, very good.
वो तो कह रहा हूँ.
Now next step is again subtraction. So who will do? Now Sajjad will also not give the answer. Someone
0.
else.
Yes,
0 को
ma'am, I
नीचे.
can do.
नहीं, someone else.
6
और कोई?
minus 1, 5.
अरे रोहान. I'm saying someone else.
उनको तो हम करने तो.
6 minus 4, 2.
तो फिर उन लोग को नहीं आएगा तो वो कैसे फिर पास होंगे? बोलो.
हाँ
तुम लोग तो
मैम.
पास हो जाओगे, चलो. तुम लोग को तो आता है.
मैम लेकिन आपने समझाया तो
उनको
था.
जवाब भी नहीं दे रहा है.
आपने समझाया भी था.
Yes. Okay, so I'm just
Ma'am,
allowing them only so that they can say.
ma'am, I
But
do.
then don't say that we didn't get any chance. Okay? I'm giving the chance to them only now. So I guess Hassan, Ruhan, and who else? Sajjad Ahmed. This four students wants to say. So Ruhan, you can first finish this.
यस. मैं आधा नहीं करता.
ले,
मैं ही कर डालता हूँ.
बाप रे. हाँ,
बाय
say.
मीन. बाय.
Yes, 6 minus 1, 5. Then,
2. 2.
yes,
6 minus 4, 2. 0, 0.
yes. Then,
0 नीचे आएगा.
yes.
250 से 20 246 is come.
Yes. So this we have to take as 250 is not there. We will take this, which is 6.
246. 6. 246. 06.
Now it's a board.
Ma'am.
I forgot to write one. You didn't tell me also there.
Yes, ma'am. वो तो कह रहा हूँ.
Here first I forgot to write one and then 6. Person continue.
246.
Yes.
मैम ये बोरो वाले.
Yes.
तो
Confusing
0
the
के
color.
बीच में 1.
And which we will cut?
5.
Yes.
4. 5 के ऊपर.
Yes.
बराबर. मैम 10.
10 minus 6.
4. 4.
4. 4 minus 4.
0.
And 2 minus 2.
0.
Yes.
0. 0.
So Q and R.
Answer is 4. And question is 1310.
Okay, now just match your answer those who have already tried. I don't think so किसी ने try किया होगा. किया है already try.
मैम राइट है.
Right, but you are very lazy in writing, all the students. सिर्फ बोलना पसंद है आंसर, लिखना नहीं पसंद.
बहुत सही बात की मैम आपने.
Hasan Pui આવી ગયો.
But very soon when there will be offline school, no, then it will be very hard for you. Then how you will write? फिर वो आलसी हो जाओगे तो फिर ऑफलाइन स्कूल में कैसे लिखोगे?
मैम ये रोहन दे देगा, दूसरा हम दोनों साथ में देंगे.
Okay, Rohan, you want to do this, no? This one.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just copying the question.
Twenty-five twos are.
Eh, That day also you were telling advance. You and that Ghazi. Ghazi is not there, no, today?
No. 25 ones are 21. 25.
Okay. हाँ. You
25
can say
twos
next.
are
50.
50.
अरे
Yes, मारी
हसन.
बारी.
हाँ.
Is 75.
65.
100. 100 આવે હું. 125. 150. 25 sevens are 175. 25 eights are 200.
200.
हसन.
225.
Control.
25 nines are 200. 20. 25 tens are 2500.
It's called 250
Not 250.
or 250.
250.
Yes. Now we'll start this division.
मैम टू डिजिट से करने के 3 डिजिट
Yes.
से
2 digit. You can, why? Because you can see this 30 is more than 25. No, अंदर का नंबर जब बड़ा हो ना 2 digit, तो 2 ही digit लेना है.
पर मैम छोटा आवे तो वो
तो
करने का
3 digit. हाँ, तो 3 digit ले लेने का. पहले 2 digit
हाँ
देखने का कि 2 digit ग्रेटर है क्या स्मॉलर. ग्रेटर
ओके
है
मैम
तो 2 ही digit, स्मॉलर हो तो 3 digit.
25 1 से 25
Yes, very good. So other student, those who have doubt, they can just see here. After taking this
5
two
माइनस
digit, what you have to do? Yes,
0 को कट करके 10 और 3 को कट करके 2.
yes. Then say 10 minus 5.
10 minus 5 5
Yes. Then 2 minus 2.
0
Yes. Then what is
4
the next step?
0 को नीचे
Yes. Then
25 2 से 50
yes.
0
Now
0 0 0 4 को नीचे
हाँ. Now if you remember, now we have discussed one rule. तो यहाँ पे जब नंबर ऐसा हो कि जो ये टेबल में ना आता हो, मतलब इसे छोटा भी, तो क्या करना है, एक साथ दोनों डिजिट को नीचे उतारना है. इफ यू
हाँ मैम
रिमेम्बर.
हाँ
और तब एक 0 रखना है. राइट, इफ यू
हाँ
रिमेम्बर.
यस
हाँ
तो 5 के बाद 0 ना
हाँ. मीन्स हियर वी हैव पुट 0. और यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट को एक साथ उतार लिए यहाँ पे.
हाँ ओके
ओके मैम.
नाउ इट्स
25
45.
1 जा
1 जा 25.
5 5 minus 5 0 4 minus 2 2
Yes. Okay, now Q and R.
क्वेश्चन में 1201 1261 and 20 रिमाइंडर में कौन सा लेसन है
Okay, who is that?
मोहम्मद रजा नानी मैम हर बात पूछता है
क्या है?
कौन सा
Yes.
लेसन है
अरे अरे. See,
जी
3C.
लेटर 3.
3C means third chapter. And even today
थर्ड
I have sent.
एक्सरसाइज.
Let me
ये
see. और
फोर
even today I have sent to PDF if you have seen. देखी वो PDF
यस
in the
कौन
group.
सी मैम?
यस
देख लेते हैं.
Just just now I sent. मतलब before
देखी
the
देखी
lecture.
देखी देखी
Fourth chapter.
यस
यस मैम देखी.
हाँ, and if you don't know FA2 table, like what is the syllabus? Did you see the timetable of FA2 which was sent before few days? थोड़े दिन पहले ही टाइम
यस
टेबल.
मैम देखिया
हाँ.
देखा.
So if you have seen, it is very soon. Maths paper is on 13 September, I guess, and syllabus is third and fourth chapter.
एग्जाम स्कूल में देने की है
ना ना, घर पे ही. But then also when you give at home also, I guess you should give with the preparation, right? So that's why I have sent that fourth chapter in advance, so that you can complete the fair book. So
यस
complete
मैम.
third chapter and fourth both. रोज थोड़ा थोड़ा करोगे तो हो जाएगा.
मैम
Now the
मेरी तो
last
एक
one.
यही बाकी.
Then good.
मेरे में तो टाइम टेबल नहीं है आप भेज देंगे
Okay, I will send. Now last one. So last one, who? Arshan, you want to do, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So the question is 19,687 divided by 35.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here we will need a table of 35. Okay, now Hassan, you can start if you are ready.
Yes, ma'am. 35 ones are 35. You from multiply. 260,
No,
75,
no.
80.
Arey, do the multiplication and tell me.
થોડોક પોઈ લઈ
Yes,
જાઓ
ma'am.
તો 75 ની જરીક પોઈ લઈ જાઓ.
Yes, 70. Then
75, 3, 35 से. मैम अब समझ आया. 35.
अच्छा, you are counting 75, 35 के बदले.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am. Oh yeah.
or let Ruhan complete the table. You can do the division.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ruhan, you can do.
105,
Then,
140,
yes,
175,
yes,
210,
yes,
245, 280,
yes,
350,
yes.
35 times that, 350.
Yes. Okay. Now, Hassan, you can just continue.
196.
It's 8:42. 3 minutes are left, so please do fast.
Ma'am, 9 bigger. Ma'am, 3 digit.
हाँ, 3 digit we have to take, which is 196. तो अभी वो टेबल में देखना है. 196 is there, so 196 is not there. So the smaller than that, which is nearest,
175.
5. Yes, 175.
5.
That is how many are? 5s are.
Yes, ma'am.
5 up, and now subtraction.
6,
6
5, 1,
minus 5, 1, 9 minus 7,
9, 0, 7, 3, 3, 3,
2,
2,
then 1 minus 1,
1, 1, 0,
0.
0,
Then next step,
8 नीचे.
so 218 we have to see in the table, 218 or smaller than that, which is
Okay.
nearest.
2, 1, 0, 210,
And that is how many ga?
6
6
जा.
ga. So 6 up, and now subtraction. 8 minus 0,
0,
8.
8. Yes,
0,
Rohan is
8,
right. 1 minus 1,
0,
0.
0.
Then 2 minus 2,
0.
yes.
0 का
Then
0.
next step,
Oh, ma'am, Muhammad.
मम्मी दूसरी नहीं
so now this we will take down. 9 also you
Yes,
can get the
7,
answer next time when your turn
70,
comes. 70, 70. And
2
that is
जा,
how many are? 2 are.
2 जा.
So what will be the answer of subtraction?
70.
7,
Uh,
1, 1.
yes. So Q
Answer
and
is
R.
QR
मैम
70.
मैंने भी सेपरेट किया
Hey, yes,
मैंने भी सेपरेट
yes,
किया
562,
Okay, now here we have completed. So just complete
170.
the fair book till here. यहाँ तक का मैंने सब send कर दिया है. So complete the fair book and even save that PDF also.
Yes,
Download
ma'am.
that PDF. Then you will say we didn't get. So download कर लेना please. Those who have not seen in the group, please see and download that.
मैम देख लिया.
मैम मेरे में तो टाइम टेबल नहीं आया
I will. They have. I guess Charmi ma'am has only sent before few days, but then also I will give you. Ask me personally, and otherwise ask me doubt next.